Hi guys, Miss Knuckles here, and I'm going to show you just a little bit about how your Google Classroom works. So we're going to use first period as an example. Now this is the teacher view, so you're not exactly going to see it look just like this. You'll see it more like all the classwork. Okay, so anytime you come to Google Classroom, click on classwork and all the information that you need will be here. So over here on the left, we have our topics. The main topic is our teacher contact information. So here I have our tutoring times of Tuesdays and Thursdays from 2:30 to 3:45. You can go and click on this link and that will take you directly to my Zoom tutoring during those times. That's the kind of come and go time. So if you have any questions for me during that time, you can come click on this link and I'll be there. You can also find my contact information, my email, the reminder that you can reach me through Remind, and also the phone number that you can reach me at directly. Every day when you come into Google Classroom, either in our live instruction of synchronous, or if you're doing this on your own, the asynchronous, you will need to come over to the topic that says attendance activity. And every day you will need to click on this Google form and find your name. So you're only going to click next to your name, and that will count for attendance for that day. You'll then click submit once you find your name. The Zoom link for our class is located here as well. So you may just click on the link, that'd be the easiest way, or you can go through your NEISD Launchpad. There's an app that says join Zoom class, and then you can enter our meeting ID as well. Be sure that you are logged in. The system will then require that you may need to put in your NEISD username and password. Any resources that we have in this class will be here. Our first is what's Unit 1 Study Stacks. So if you ever find that you need a little bit of extra, you can go in and do the flashcards. There's also games located at the bottom. So anytime that you need a little extra work or you have some free time, you can go do study stacks. So I hope that helps learn our Google Classroom. Also remember that there is a tab for grades. That's where your assignment grades will be. The main grade though will be in Skyward. You can first check it here in Google Classroom, but it'll first be in Skyward. Okay, thank you. Hope that helps.